Konnichiwa. Today we're going to be talking about numbers. Um, so the great thing about Japanese numbers is if you can memorize 1 through 10, you pretty much got it all memorized. It's uh like in English we've got different words like 11 and 12. Like these words only show up in that specific instance. Whereas in Japanese, it's kind of repetition of the same numbers for the most part. So you'll see what I mean in a minute. I'm only going to teach you one way to say each number. There are some of them that they have multiple ways of saying the same number. Um, but especially if you're just learning, I really don't want to confuse you guys. So I think that this will end up being easier for you. Um, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so like I was saying before, they use a lot of repetition of numbers. 11 is 11, so literally 10, 1. And then it goes to 12, 13, 14, 15, etc. And then if you want to say 20, it is 20. And then it goes to 21, 22, 23, 24. So you're saying 210 1, 210 2, 210 3, 210 4. And it goes like that all the way up until 100, which is 100. And then 1000 is sen, and 10,000 is man. So if you wanted to say 500 yen, you would say 500 yen. So literally 100 yen. And they don't actually say yen, they say en. They don't have a y sound. Um, so, I mean, actually, if you practice with this, it's really great. Just pick a number, like any number, and then try to figure out what it is, and that will really, really, really help you. Like I think I'm gonna actually be better in like Japanese math than English math. I'm not really that great at math, anyways. Um, but yeah, definitely like the more you practice, the easier you'll get, and you really should, especially if you're going to Japan someday. Because when you're at a, let's say like a super or a konbini, um, they'll they'll read back everything. Like they'll scan something and be like, oh, this is however many yen, and then they'll give you your total. And if you have a hard time understanding it or have to piece it out, like, I mean, they're too polite to act like annoyed by it, but you don't want to be a burden on somebody, especially if there's a line. So it'll just make your time like a lot easier. Okay, hope I helped. Bye.